Welcome students. Today our topic is the estrogen's race part, some other drugs of estrogen. So this is the third part of estrogen. So the part is non-steroidal drugs, that is diethyl estradiol. The diethyl estradiol structure is here in the third position a OH bond is attached, and the diethyl means 2C2H5 group present here with the Steven formula. Steven formula, what is Steven formula? So it is the Steven formula. This two, this or this. This any two if present, there is a Steven formula. So the use of diethyl estradiol is, it is used in the treatment of prostate cancer. The next one is hexastrol. So the structure of hexastrol is here in the third position OH group is attached. Just remove the double bond. Here the double bond is present here. Just remove it and it is called as hexastrol. So the next one is dienestrol. So here dienes means two double bond. There are two double bond is present here. So this is called as dienestrol. Every drugs is attached with the Steven formula. All three drugs is attached with a Steven formula. So you should remember the Steven formula as I mentioned before. So some other drugs of estrogens are anti-estrogen, that is include clomiphene citrate, then selective estrogen down regulator, that is fulvestrant, the selective estrogen receptor modulator, that is tamoxifen citrate and toremifene. Then last one is aromatase inhibitor. So that is include letrozole, anastrol and exemestane. Now we will see the structure of these drugs. So first one is anti-estrogen, that is clomiphene citrate. So the structure is here fen means phenyl, the phenyl group is here attached, and the Steven formula is also here. So that is the structure. You should remember the Steven formula. I told once again. So if you remember that Steven formula, you will be easy to remember that all structures. The next important part is selective estrogen receptor modulator. There are two drugs included here. One is tamoxifen and one is toremifene. So the tamoxifen structure is here is the attached CH3 instead of CH2. Here in the previous one here the C2H5 group is attached. So instead of this, here the attach is CH3. The rest is same. Now the last one is toremifene. The structure of toremifene is here a Cl bond is attached and rest is same as tamoxifen. Just only here attach a Cl bond. That's it. So the estrogen part is over. In the next video, now we are talking about androgens. So goodbye, take care.